Okay, so I feel like I need to just explain before this video starts that I did not realise that I had something on my top and it just looks disgusting, but basically I was making a jacket potato before I started filming and I remember like some butter like splashing up on me, but I didn't think it'd stain my top. Anyway, it was butter, so I've got butter on the top and it just looks like a weird mark. And then here's me later on in the video wondering whether my top was a bit see-through. Really, my top was just dirty looking anyway. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to clear that up so you were just staring at it thinking, what is that? Lesson learned to not make a jacket potato before starting filming. Anyway, enjoy the video. I'm back with another SHEIN haul. It's only been a few weeks, but who cares? I've got a big fat box of SHEIN clothing to share with you all. I was kindly gifted this from SHEIN. Like, excuse me, quite shocked to be fair. I'm gonna basically style some pieces up and show you what I got. I did get similar things to last time, but different, you know? I'm not gonna lie, there is a lot of brown in here, but there is also some sage green, which I've not actually got anything sage green before. Now I do. Decided that I'm going to do a bit more of a chatty haul. Like, stood up chatting through the outfit type video, showing you what I'd pair with it. Like, can you see my boobs in this? Let's hope not. I'm just going to chat through the outfits and tell you what I think of them and give you my honest opinion. Quality out of 10, how I feel out of 10 type of thing. What do we think? Also, give me the honest opinion on this hair. Do I look like the Statue of Liberty or does it look nice? Anyway. Moving on, let's just unbox and I will show you what I got first. Okay, so first item I picked out are these little zebra trousers. I'm actually going to order them the last time I did a SHEIN order and I'm absolutely obsessed. I think they're very like comfortable. I'll check what size I got. I'll leave the size here that I got because I just have no idea, I'm not going to lie. They're perfect. And I'm a size 8, so sorry, I just wanted to move down a bit because I thought you couldn't really see it, but yeah, they're like not super long and they're not like dead wide leg, I wouldn't say. They're like quite cigarette trouser. That gives me like teacher vibes. It's not cigarette trouser, it's like a mom jean, like a straight leg. But yeah, so comfy. I've just put it on with this little sage green top, only sage item I could find in my wardrobe. I'm sure you've probably got maybe like a white top which might look better than this. Let me just pair it with a jacket and I'll show you like the full outfit idea. So this jacket is from Lorna Jane. I'm going to tag everything down below by the way, as well as my SHEIN items, but I think this is a really cute outfit. I'm liking the white coat with it. Also accessories, this little white bag just to tie in the colour scheme. Can't put this hat on right now because I've got my hair up, but if my hair was like long down mermaid waves, I'm thinking this little cute fluffy bucket hat which I got from ASOS. You can't really see the colour on camera here, it's a bit bright, but it's literally, it's a little bit lighter than this, but it's the same kind of colour scheme, you know? I think these pants, I'm going to get a lot of wear out of them. Like, they're quite statement, so I feel like you don't really need much else going on with the outfit other than them. Obviously, I've got my slippers on as the shoes of choice, but I'd probably wear them with like trainers, maybe white trainers to tie into the colour theme. I've got an even better coat than this from SHEIN. It matches the outfit perfectly. I'm going to show you it now. Okay, so when I tell you I found the perfect coat for this, I found the perfect coat for this. Seriously, this coat is my new favourite thing. Literally the comfiest, cosiest puffer in my new favourite colour. Like, I'm just loving sage green at the moment. I can't believe it's taken me so long to actually invest in some sage green pieces because but Olivia Neal likes sage green, I like sage green. She's literally the Regina George of our century, I think. I maybe got this in a size small. I just wanted it to be quite oversized, but if I'm honest, like, it is very oversized. That's only if I stand like that, you know? I can like lift it up a bit, wear it like this a bit, you know. I don't know, but basically, if you're looking at getting this coat, don't size up thinking that it, you know, to make it bigger because they're already quite big. That's what I'm trying to say. But I mean, I'm still loving it. I'm still thinking, with this outfit especially, I just cannot wait to go on a walk and take some outfit photos in this because that's the furthest I'm going to be going in it. But still, I just think this is really good quality for the price as well. Like, I've got a Topshop one which is probably double the price of this, and this feels like thicker and like better quality. So like, if you're ever thinking about like maybe not investing in a jacket from SHEIN because you're worried, I can confirm the quality is very nice in this. It's a vibe. I think this is going to be the full look. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, follow me and then you can see me go for a walk and fast kind of take a photo of me in this. So can we just mind the foundation around my neck, because whoever made these tops in PLT did not make the neck holes big enough, because no one has a head this small. Like, to get through this, it was a military operation. The second outfit, third item that I got, was these brown cow print pants. Now, if anyone has seen the video that I put up the other week, boyfriend buys my ASOS and PLT outfits, you'll see that he bought me a similar pair of these, and I kind of slagged them off, and then now I feel a bit hypocritical because then I've gone and bought some that are very, very similar. But I will show you the difference. So these are a little bit more like wide leg. These are just so much more me. So comfy. Like, I feel like whatever size I got these pants in, each time I say it, I'm literally just gonna put it on the screen. I'm so glad that I got it. I think I was like thinking maybe I should get the size below, because it just makes you feel better when you can order the size below, but really when they come, you're so glad that you went that size bigger, because they're so comfortable. They're really nice around the waist, they're not too tight around the legs. I just love them. I've paired it with this top from PLT and also this jacket that I included in my last SHEIN order the other week, which I just think it matches it gloriously. I'm waiting on my first ever Brandy Melville order. I mean, Pinterest girl or what, trying to be. And I ordered this top that says cowgirl on it. Thought it would match the pants well, because, you know, we're going from that cowgirl vibe. Oh my god, you never guess what, literally just after I mentioned about that Brandy Melville top, it came through the post. She just got it through the post. It just dropped on my doorstep, and I thought, right, I'm going to show you the full vision come to life. I think I might go for my leopard print bag to do a bit of like a print contrast, because I quite like that at the moment. I'm quite liking mixing up the prints. I'm sorry if you can hear Connor in his PS4, because I can, and it's just, I've given up telling him to shut up now because he can't hear me because he's got his headphones on. So if you hear him, not much more I can do. I think these are a combo made for each other. The thing is though, just opened this parcel, a little bit disappointed in the quality. Like, you can see the lettering on the top has started to like crack where they've transferred it on, like it's cracked. Just me being picky, but I'm thinking that that's a little bit out of order, because I spent £18 on a top and it's like started to crack. I've only just put it on. It's as if like it's quite tight. Also, this was one size. I was like, what size have I ordered? And I looked and it was one size. Do Brandy Melville not like do different sizes? Like, maybe I'm not cool enough to understand Brandy Melville yet, but how could this fit anyone with bigger boobs than me, which is a lot of people, if not most people? Because if that's cracked from my chest size, then there is literally no hope for anyone with a larger chest than me, because yeah, anyway, I'm really not selling this top, but it is really, really cute, and especially with this jumper and pants. So yeah. Outfit number 3, I picked out these beautiful pink flares. I mean, have you ever seen anything more me in your life? I'm gonna move you down a little bit because I feel like you can't really see them. Okay, so these are the flares. Honestly, unreal. These are definitely a flare. So like, they're quite tight around the thighs, and then bam, it's a flare. Like, I'm obsessed. Decided to pair it with this cute little pink cardi from PLT, and then just like my pink Prada bag, because I think it matches perfectly. A little pink mix, and also my slippers match this outfit as well, so why not walk around the house in this to make me feel sassy in lockdown? I've not actually seen anyone buy these from SHEIN. Like, I feel like you see a lot of like trending things like the cow print pants and like the zebra ones, but I'd never really seen anyone in these, which is why I was a little bit nervous to buy, because there wasn't too many reviews, but I got them. The only thing that I wish that I'd done differently is that I got a medium in these, because I was a bit worried that they were going to be quite tight around the legs with them being more of a flare, but they're actually a little bit big, so I wouldn't, like, if you're size 8 like me and you're a little bit worried about the fitting of these, I would just go for a small still, because if you can see, like, just a bit, they're fine around the bum and the legs, but around the waist, got some room. Yeah, I absolutely love these. I don't really know what shoes I'd buy with these. What do you think? I don't know. But yeah, thoroughly obsessed with this. I think I'd give these pants literally like an 8 out of 10. They'd just be a 10 out of 10 if they were a tiny bit smaller. On to the next outfit. The next item that I got was this little patchwork top. I thought that it would pair really, really nice with the pants, I'm not too sure whether I like this as much as I thought I would with the pants. I don't know why. I think I just preferred the cardigan, maybe because it was a little bit more plain, and I feel like the pants are very like statement anyway. But I think it's still like a cute outfit. I'm not sure, maybe I just need a different hairstyle. Pinning my hair down. Do you ever feel like that when you put an outfit on, you're like, definitely needs a hair down look? But again, with the bag, it's a very, very pink outfit, but again, a very, very me outfit. I'm liking it. I'm thinking a big white puffer coat over the top if you're going out, just so no one says that these are very inappropriate for the weather, because I know that they are, but they can be if you just put a big coat on. Managed to get foundation on that. Sums up my life. Am I the only one that finds it incapable to like not get makeup on my clothes as soon as I wear them? I think so. The last thing that I got, it's this little like sheer shirt. I know what you're thinking, Chloe, you probably need to put something on under that. I think I do as well. When I firstly ordered this, I was thinking of the whole like Cher from Clueless vibe. Gonna leave a pic here so you can see what I mean. And she's got like a white tank top on underneath. Just couldn't find one of them in my wardrobe. Like, I didn't even order one to match because I thought obviously I'm gonna have one of them. You know what it's like for them kind of items, like a white tank top? I just couldn't find one. But I think if I was to maybe go anywhere, I'd probably wear it with that. But I do think that this is quite cute also. I've just paired it with my black Hotel Rocks pants. I just got these this week actually. They are absolutely beautiful. I think they're called the Zovan trousers. If I wore this with like a black little skirt and some like calf boots, I think I need to maybe do my tan super dark for this to look nice. I feel like I look a bit ghostly. It's giving me very 90s vibes, and I think this was literally a couple of pounds, like no joke. What are our thoughts on this? I'm not sure. I just thought it was a little bit different, and it was giving me very much Clueless vibes. So that is the end of the haul. I feel like that was really short, I'm sorry, but maybe that was short and sweet. I hope that you liked it. I think I picked out some really nice bits. I think out of everything, it goes to show that this is probably my favourite outfit, since it's the one that I've gone and put back on to wear for the day after I filmed this. But yeah, I think everything that I got was just comfy. I've been needing to invest in some like nice comfy jeans, just trying to fit into jeans like a size 6, and I'm just not a size 6 anymore, and that's fine. SHEIN have very much outdone themselves, so I'm gonna link everything that I've included down below so you can go and check them out. And that is the end of the video, guys. I'm gonna be doing the 10k calorie challenge next week, I think. Maybe. I've already worked out what I'm gonna eat, and I kind of wish that I hadn't, because now it's putting me off. Anyway, I'll save that for the next video. Hopefully I'll see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, love yous. Bye.